get to it like that. My allergies killing me to start with. I had to sneeze. Alright, cool. We finna get to it like that. Me and my little brother out here finna clean the engine bay, paint everything down with some rust over paint. I like using that stuff. We ain't got no way to move the motor no more like I used to. So we're gonna try to clean the motor up good as we can. And whatever we don't clean, I had to pressure wash it. Once I actually get the motor in the car and get it up and running, I'll pressure wash it. But kind of hard to say right now, man. Everything kind of hard. So I'm finna get into the video, man. Clean the engine bay, clean up the motor a little, and trying to get the motor ready to get in the car. All right, let's get it. Then my partner here side by side. Got a little bro up here, clean the mama yard. But yeah, partner side by side, been done with that. Just had to go back and remount some shit. We got the Monte Carlo up here. We just got done cleaning the on the end. We got the motor down here that going in the Monte Carlo. Jacked it up, try to clean it all, brush it all. Hit every damn thing black that I could. Fuck it, we just gonna black this bitch out. Got valve covers off, gonna clean the valve covers, spray the valve covers and shit, get ready to drop our ass back in. Like I say, we just did an all black motor here because couldn't get the air gun, I ain't got nothing to move it. So we're gonna have to put the motor in right here where we at because we ain't gonna be able to move it. I'm gonna move the transmission on up the hill, gonna bolt to the motor, so motor and transmission going in together. Alright, let's walk on up here. Alright, here go the valve cover. They rusted and everything, so we're gonna sand them down real good, clean them up real good, and get all that off there. Got to get it all off there, man. Real nasty. The Monte Carlo, lil' bro washed it a little, got some of that mildew and all the rest of that shit off. It's looking a lot better. Engine bay, cleaned it up some. We sprayed everything down, scraped all the rust off. So that's looking pretty smooth. Gotta clean some rust from off here, then I'm gonna shoot it over black. I know I got pipe hanging right here. We need a hanger. Man, they had the pipe bolt to the floorboard, cause they had that bit for, man, hey man, I done found out so much bullshit on that car, man. I swear for Jesus, man, I can't lie. Y'all tell me what the fuck that is right there. They got a fucking brick under it. I mean a block of wood on each side of that bit, cause they had the exhaust, man. Let me zoom in. They got that bit bolt to the floorboard, yeah. They got that bit bolt to the floor, man, cause I ain't never seen no shit like that day in my life, man. But I'm talking about this right here, cause you got air shots on that bitch. Just buy you a new airline. Bro, you got this. You got a block of wood in that bitch. Oh shit, I'm gonna drop the gas tank though and clean the tank out of shit, man. But I can't get off of that, man. They got that bitch on the floorboard, cool. They got that bitch right there on the floorboard. Got a boat going straight through, cool. You hit your foot back, man. That bitch go there, they'll break your ankle. I ain't lying, man. But bro cleaned the hell out of it. It look a whole lot better, man. All that mildew off, that bitch look damn good. Just need some paint. Little body work and little paint. She gonna be alright, y'all. Don't take that old 10 out, put some real 10 in here. You know, I'm gonna go back to the rad stripe. We're going back to the rad stripe. We're gonna do it all the way down. We ain't gonna do it on the trunk and on the hood like they did. We're gonna do it all the way back. We're doing it all the way back on this bit, cool. I like them rad stripes. I always love rad stripes. I don't go fuck what you put them on. I love them. But yeah. I need one hood cap. Anybody know one of them at, let me know, man. Besides eBay. Y'all know they on eBay. But let me know where else you can find them at for cheap. Just need one. Need one 15-inch hood cap. Just like that right here. Y'all let me know. Little nice little Chevy hood cap, man. I like these hood cap right here. On their car here. I gotta buy me some new white walls. And we gonna ride this evening, y'all. But not today. But we getting together. So I'm gonna go ahead and finish up that motor, clean that off, and doing the valve covers and shit. Like I said, that's all I got for today. Oh yeah, little slider working, man. Finna drop that video too. 2 cab 22 scrap on them 212s in the little slider. She working good, man. Guy from work bought my battery, so I had to build another 40. It is what it is. Don't forget, we do sell batteries out this bitch, cuz, and we do ship them to you. Right, gotta get it. That's all I got for you today. So don't forget to like, subscribe. Your boy is out of this bitch.
Yeah. Girl, I got that Marvin Gaye, that Luther Vandross, a little Aaliyah. I definitely set this party off right. Oh, say babe. Say, baby, are you ready for the world? Let's travel the distance. Let's travel across the globe. Girl, let's put this car in drive. Let's do it. Let's do it. Oh, baby. Yeah. Are you gonna be in love with me right now? Do you really love me right now? One on one that keep it so tight now. I'm so P, get piped down. Right now, baby, we can do it all right now. Travel the globe for real. I don't care nothing about these hoes for real. Cause I know that you good for my soul for real. Just gonna put on your sis little outfit. You ain't gotta pay for nothing. Baby, I got this. Leave your purse, just bring your wallet for your ID.